going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of King Customs, and today we are gonna install some lights on our doors. And I don't mean like a full installation, I mean we're just gonna replace these bulbs. We have some pesky old regular incandescent bulbs, and we're gonna switch them to some LED bulbs. Let's go. Alrighty guys, so this is the light that we're gonna be switching out. It's incandescent, it looks ugly and yellow, we don't like that. We're gonna get some nice white LEDs. So in order to remove this, we're gonna need a flathead screwdriver to carefully pop this off. And then we're gonna need these bulbs from J87, which I'm gonna leave in the link in the description below so y'all can pick yours up too. Let's get it. So in order to remove this, the first thing you need to do is remove the battery so you don't blow anything or burn yourself, because these lights get really hot. But here is something that I found out with the Avalanche. With a push of the button, you can turn off all the lights. You don't need to worry yourself about the battery. If you feel comfortable removing the battery, do that. It's up to you, whatever you feel comfortable with. For me, I'll just press the button, turn off the lights, and then swap my bulbs out. Let me show you where I'm gonna press. Alrighty guys, so all you gotta do is press this button here, boom, and all your lights turn off. Look at that. Look at that, everything's out. So let us work on removing this and installing our LED. First, you want to carefully pry this out. Pop it, remove it, and wiggle this loose. You get your bulb right there. Grab your new LED bulb, pull it out, take it here. It might be a little hot, so you can use your t-shirt or a rag. Pull it out. And now install your new one. Now, before I put it together, let me make sure it works. With the push of my button, let there be light. Woo! Now, let's install everything back in its place. Alrighty guys, so I hope you enjoyed that quick episode on replacing your incandescent bulbs with these LED bulbs. They definitely brighten up the Avalanche, and I definitely think y'all should get some. It'll help you see a lot easier. But with all that being said and done, I hope you guys enjoyed this quick episode. If you did, definitely hit the like button, and also leave a comment in the comment section below. And if you're not a subscriber and you're new to the channel, consider subscribing. With that being said, I'll see y'all later. Peace!